When Unitree Robotics presented its humanoid robots at China's nationally televised Lunar New Year Gala, the fluid kung fu routines and synchronized formations were the culmination of an intensive, AI-driven training process. Far from being manually animated step by step, the robot's movements were developed through a layered pipeline that combined large-scale simulation, machine learning, and repeated real-world rehearsal. The preparation began in physics-based simulation environments, where engineers trained control policies using reinforcement learning and trajectory optimization techniques. In these virtual settings, the robots practiced balancing, shifting weight, executing rapid stance transitions, and recovering from disturbances. By running thousands of iterations without risking hardware damage, developers were able to fine-tune joint torque limits, gait parameters, and dynamic stabilization strategies. This simulation-first approach significantly accelerated development while ensuring that the robots could perform complex martial arts sequences with consistency and precision. Instead of hard-coding fixed motions, Unitree structured the performance around modular motion primitives, reusable movement building blocks such as kicks, pivots, and arm strikes. These primitives were sequenced and adjusted in real time using onboard motion planning algorithms. The robots continuously calculated joint trajectories while maintaining center of mass stability, allowing for smoother transitions between poses. Enhanced perception systems, including LiDAR and inertial measurement units, provided accurate localization and orientation feedback, which was essential for maintaining tight formations under stage lighting and live broadcast conditions. As rehearsals progressed, engineers moved from simulation to physical testing. Multiple robots were trained to operate in coordinated clusters, executing synchronized timing cues and formation changes. Iterative, on-stage run-throughs, exposed edge cases, minor balance drift, timing offsets, or thermal load concerns, which were fed back into controller refinements. Close collaboration with human martial artists further shaped the final choreography, ensuring that robotic movements matched tempo, spacing, and safety requirements during joint sequences. By the time the gala aired, the robots were not merely executing scripted motions, but running optimized control policies capable of adapting within predefined performance constraints. The result was a tightly synchronized, technically demanding display that underscored the rapid progress of embodied AI in real-time humanoid control systems in commercial robotics. Unitree Robotics is a Chinese robotics company specializing in agile, AI-driven legged robots and humanoids. Founded to push commercial and research applications of mobile robotics, Unitree develops quadrupeds and bipedal platforms that combine advanced perception, real-time control, and machine learning-based motion planning. Its products are designed for dynamic movement, autonomous navigation, and adaptable performance across varied environments, reflecting rapid progress in embodied artificial intelligence within the robotics industry. Guys, what do you think about the new humanoid robots? Let us know in the comments. Thanks.